bend this back, you can see all the scratching here, but that is definitely our hole right there. What we've got here is a customer in Waterloo. They had squirrels once upon a time. The squirrels have indeed returned. This is another reason why a lot of times we try to push the full exclusion on the house so this kind of thing doesn't happen, but in this case the customer didn't go that route and they indeed have re-entry. So we've located a hole on the right side of the house. We're going to take a look at it, fit it with a door, and get rid of the squirrels again. All right, so here's our hole. Hopefully you can see that there. What happens sometimes is they put this metal fascia down. It's supposed to act as the valley, but it comes down and it doesn't meet flush, so you end up with this kind of U shape instead of it butting clear into the corner, and that gives a lot of times access here. So we're going to fit this with a door and get rid of the squirrels again. Okay, so what we're doing is we're kind of building a chute to stick out here. We're going to kind of fasten the door and probably reinforce it with some mesh around the edges, but in general this will just kind of act as a chute. You'll see the finished product soon. All right, so what we're looking at here is basically a finished product. We're going to seal this hole when we come back, but basically we've got the sides of our door kind of guarded with some prongs here and the chute sticking out. That was a tricky hole to find, but sometimes the roofs, the way that they're built and the way that they're roofed, basically the way the shinglers do things, sometimes just leaves these natural openings that the squirrels take advantage of, and this is one of those cases. But we got a door in. We'll be back in 2-ish weeks to see how it's going, pull the door and seal the hole.